So now I'm just mixing up the primer for Kelly's bumper. Done all the repairs on the rear bumper, so all the cracks have been repaired. 2K primer all up now, and flatten that down and hopefully put some paint on it. Whoop whoop, whoop whoop, yeah boy.
So is this that silver stuff?
No, this is just grey. Just grey primer. Nice heavy, thick primer. It should cover everything. I'm just going to check the paint in. That's it. Stand up. First time you've ever listened to me.
Where do you know from?
Firmoy's pasties. Red hot and lovely. Your pasties, eh? Is it reacted? Run.
No,
Doubles.
there's no runs, no reaction. I just wanted to worry him a little bit.
It worries him when there's no runs.
I'm coming this way now because he's coming back out. Thank you.
Come and look at my line.
You will. They do look really good. Mike, go and look at his lines.
Not like that, I can do that. Not as good. I think you did a better job, but this one was the worst one. There was nothing there.
Yeah.
So I had to make it all wider.
Yeah.
Obviously it's a little bit wider, so I did that and I just went across all of it. I'm hoping with a prime it should be alright. That's it. You zoomed in on my meat. Kelly told me you'd had enough last time and that man went. Said you were ready. Got everything. Yeah. Hold it up. I'm start then. Hey, get your finger out of my arm. Actually, it's missing so on the fairness. Whack him off.
You zoomed in on my meat just now.
Stop fingering my bumper hole.
You were wrong then.
I do want to get me. I've run the phone or eaten.
Because that's the majority of what you do.
What, sit on my phone or eat? Hang on, I reckon I can do both at the same time here. What?
Kev TV.
What a fucking hot bit of meat. What?
What's Greta said about me?
What a hot piece of meat. Go pig. Personally.
I'm up for it. Huh?
Camera. Candy camera.
Oh no.
So does anything go in these?
No.
They just clip back on?
Yeah.
Right, do them black. Pink around there. Pink around those bits.
Yeah.
That bit that goes around the dash there. So that bit.
Yeah, because I was going to do all of that along there as
that black. That
And then all
Where's that
the
bit go? That bit go?
all the ring bits can go pink.
Pink.
Because the roof lining at some point will be getting taken out and done black.
Yeah.
So that it matches, but I'm waiting for Morgan still to sort that out.
What am I doing?
Everything.
Sorting out getting the headlining done black. So I'm going to get door cards, like the flat door cards at some point anyway, so all of that will be black.
So do you want the pink?
But for a
Little
minute
snowman?
they need to be...
So we're going to have to do speakers. And really all the silver around it.
Yeah, but it doesn't come off. Yeah, that's what I mean. That's why I was just going to kind of leave it for a minute and wait until I can
they're having
get the
lunch
door
now.
cards.
It's lunchtime.
Been that long?
Nose,
Lunchtime already.
Stop looking at my nose. Close up, it's mad.
You'd be surprised what they can do with video editing these days. They make it look normal.
Wow. They make you look tall.
It's not that gone that far.
We're determining what's going black and what's going
Determining?
pink.
Determining.
Is that a word?
Yeah.
It is now.
Kelly language.
Oh, God.
These are going black.
Something that you're
Yeah, they're going black.
determinators.
Ah.
Determinators.
So right, that
They'll
was
be
going
black.
Huh?
They'll be black.
That was
did.
going. What were you doing with that then?
Black.
Black.
Handles
That's
black.
going pink. No,
black.
that's going black.
Handles.
I don't know.
Yeah,
I think we should do the handles
Oh, there's
pink.
3 of you. I might be able to get one more.
Look.
Oh.
Oh, I see how it is.
I didn't realise.
I think
No
we
wonder
should,
my dog barks at you.
I think
Yeah.
we should do the handles pink, just because we're having black writing.
Yeah.
So it'll just blend in.
Thank
the
you.
Right.
If you think. Right.
Yeah, pink handles then.
Okay, so they're going
So
pink.
just leave. Yeah, go on. Chuck it all. Everything that's going pink on the table.
Right,
Everything
what am I
that's
doing
going
with
black
everything that's going black?
on the other table.
Right, okay.
At least I know where we're at there. No.
I know what I'm doing.
What?
Drinking coffee. Drinking coffee.